Hello everyone, my name is Lobera and I'll be teaching a real-world GraphQL API workshop at a CityJS conference in London. GraphQL, what is GraphQL? GraphQL is a very exciting technology that exposes data in a very flexible and efficient way. It can be used by product teams to compose the data requirements on the client and fetch very efficiently the APIs. However, this is a new paradigm. As any new paradigm, it comes with new concerns and new pitfalls we should avoid and learn. I've been running GraphQL myself for 3 years on production. Quite a bit of a journey. I made mistakes and I learned some good lessons that I'm very looking forward to share with you. So, what are we gonna do in this workshop? We will build a GraphQL API on top of a REST API. Why? This is probably one of the use cases that you might be thinking of. It was definitely one of the first use cases that I faced, and it's also very useful for any product team. So, who are you? Who is the target of audience of this workshop? Any full stack developer or front-end developer that is familiar with JavaScript, that is interested in learning how to leverage GraphQL in production, any stakeholders, tech lead who is considering migrating certain parts of an application to GraphQL and want to make an informed decision about, is this the right technology for me? Or any backend developer with or without experience with Node.js. Bear in mind, this workshop will practice and we build this REST API using Node.js. Now, we're not gonna deep dive onto Node.js. We wanna keep this workshop from beginner to intermediate. It's the entry level, should be any developer with experience with JavaScript. And we will focus on designing a schema properly and what are the common pitfalls when we deploy our GraphQL API to production, things such as performance or security. So don't be afraid if you are not Node.js experts. That's not a requirement at all. Just if you know a little bit of JavaScript and have experience with REST APIs and are really excited about learning how GraphQL works and what is the potential for building great, flexible, and efficient applications, I'm looking forward to meeting you at the workshop.